Hi everyone, Olivia here. Thank you so much for joining me this week. Today we're going to be looking at creating an Etsy listing from scratch for your product. If you haven't checked out my video from last week, I'll leave it up here. It goes through how to create a professional looking mock-up so we can really make your product look good and sell. So let's make a listing. So we'll open up our shop manager and go into the listings section on the side. At the top, there's a button, add a listing. That's what we're going to click. And this top section here is the photo section. This is where we're going to upload all our photos for our listings. So it gives you 10 spaces, I believe. Yeah, 10 spaces. We're going to go in and upload our photos. So there's my onesie mock-up. And I'm going to go down and find my onesie size chart that I use for all of them. If I can find it here. Oh, there it is. Okay, we'll upload that as well. And while that is working away, we'll scroll down and work on the thumbnail. So this is what the shoppers will see. The first thing they'll see when they find your product. So I like to zoom these in quite a bit just because some of the writing's a little small. So you want to make sure that your shoppers are going to be able to read everything and it still looks nice. You can see everything. So I just center this, play around with it. That looks good to me. Okay, we'll save that one. And down here is a video section. I'm going to do a separate video about this section. Etsy's really pushing the videos, and I'm going to go through how to create a video. This is the listing details. So the title's at the top here, and this you want to pack with as many keywords as you think that shoppers are going to be searching to find your product. So I'm going to start off with funny baby onesie, and this is kind of one that I've done already, so I'm just going to go through and make sure that it still applies to this one, and I think it does here. So we've got sarcastic, baby shower gift, baby bodysuit. Yeah, that all looks good to me. Okay, I made this. It's a finished product, and I make these to order. Okay. Now here's a category kind of to help more shoppers find it. So it's a broader category. So I'm just going to type in bodysuits here and see. No, let's type in baby. Yeah, this looks good. Baby bodysuits. So all these categories down here are going to be the categories that your listing will show up for the buyer. I'm going to use the US Kids numeric scale, and I offer more than one size, so I'm going to choose that, and we'll go through that in a later section. My primary color is white and the writing is black, so I'll just fill that out. The more attributes that you fill out, the easier it will be for a shopper to find you. I usually leave these blank. These can be for if you have something for a particular celebration, a birthday, etc. I always click manual just because I like to see them as they expire if I need to work on the description or take some more listing photos, something like that. So I like to see them. I don't like it to update automatically. It's a physical product that I mail to customers as opposed to a digital download. Okay, so this is the description. The more detail in here, the better. I'm just actually going to go in and copy my general onesie description from another one. So let's just click on this one here. And we'll go down. And I'm just going to copy and paste this. And I usually just fine tune this if I have to. Yeah, so this goes through the details of the onesie, care, shipping, etc., legal stuff. So I usually just copy and paste this. Oh my god. And it has all my social medias as well where people can find me. So I'm gonna paste this into this new description. Check it out, make sure it still all applies. Yep. Okay, that looks good to me. I also put the care instructions right on my packaging, but it's nice to have it in here as well. And legal stuff, and yeah, my social medias. A production partner is someone who helps you produce your items, which I don't have. I make everything myself. This section is onesies. This is just everything that you have. You can group it into categories, so it's easier for people to find. So you need to use 13 tags. Use all 13 tags. And this is a good way to do this is to look up in your title. So make sure that especially the first couple words in your title are also tags. So we've got funny baby onesie. We're going to type in sarcastic onesie because those are our first couple of words in our title. And we're going to look through and just kind of go off the title. Baby shower gift, we can do gender neutral, baby. What our onesie actually says, and just kind of think if you were searching for this listing, what you would type in to get it. Some people have different words for things. For example, some people call them onesies, some people call them bodysuits, baby shirts, you know, like try and cover all those words so people can find your listing easier. Baby boy gift, baby girl gift. And some of these more general tags, it's harder to get noticed in some, like baby girl gift is a huge tag that lots of people will use, and you may get lost in something like that. So it's nice to have more specific tags. So sarcastic onesie is one that I like to use because not a lot of people are using that one. Okay, I just need one more. Let's see. I guess we can do baby bodysuit. Okay, so we've used all 13. The next section is materials. You can add these, you cannot. So my bodysuits are cotton and heat transfer vinyl. So I'm just going to type in those there. And add in your price. You can leave the quantity for now because we're going to adjust that with the sizes. SKU is just for your own personal use. If you carry a large inventory and have your own numbers or letters to track your different products, you can use this. And I'll just leave that blank because I don't need that right now. Okay, so this is the variation. So I'm going to go in and add all the sizes I have. 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, and I'm going to add a new option, the newborn size. So I'm going to type that in there. And I'm going to go over here and check quantities vary for each size, because I may have a different quantity of each size available for sale. So I'm just going to go in. I have a good stock of onesies, so I'm just going to throw 5 in each one. Okay, and you can link photos if you have different patterns or whatever, but since this is all the same, we're just gonna go with this. No personalization. Yep, okay, and we're gonna go down and click our shipping profile and hit publish. Perfect. And publish. All right, and let's go in and just kind of do a preview to make sure it all looks good. So we're gonna look at our page and find our new listing. There it is. Okay. Photos look good. All my sizes are there, quantity, and all the details we added in are also there. Yeah. Okay, it looks great. And that's it for part 1 of this video. If you enjoyed that and would like to see more and follow along, So be sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video so you get notified when the next one comes along. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below and I will be sure to answer them. And that's it for part 1. If you're interested, please come back next Friday and see the rest. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye!